Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you all the features of our online class, or how you can set timetable for online class and what all features we have. So a teacher can log in with her username password through either web login or through app. So first we'll see the app login. So for app, go to your Top School Teacher app. So when you log in, you'll have a button called as timetable, in which you'll see the start class tab for all the lectures that are assigned to you. So you can click on start class and it will redirect to Zoom or Meet, whichever you have integrated. So you can start your lecture from here. Similarly, as a teacher, you can also do a web login. So for web login, when you log in with your username and password, similarly, you also have a timetable tab, and in that timetable tab, you can click on the class that you want to start. Let's say I want to start a class for now. I'll click on start class. And if you have a Zoom app in your desktop, you can click on open URL, Zoom URL, and you'll be able to see. And your session will be started. Similarly, for students, notification is received whenever a class starts. So whenever a class starts, if you've logged in with your app, you'll receive a notification like this that your online class has started. So you can go to your app and join the class. So you can go to your school app, and join in. You can go to timetable and click on join class, and it will redirect to Zoom or Meet. See, in case if you try to log in before or after the scheduled time, you'll see a message like this, which will tell you the link will be enabled only 10 minutes prior to the class start time. So you have to make sure that you click on join class when the class has been actually scheduled. So let's say we are coming to the correct time, and I'll click on join class. So when I click on join class, I can open it, redirect me to Zoom. And I'm waiting for the host to start this meeting. One more feature that we have added is for the school admin, so that the school admin, now the principal, teachers or directors, can see which classes are going on. They can join classes. They can also see the session start time from the teacher as well as for the student as well. So in timetable, in admin, in the timetable tab, there's a tab of master timetable. So in master timetable, now whenever you select a section, let me select a day. I click on view. So you'll be able to see all the classes that are going on. And similarly, the admin or director can click on join class, and it will redirect them to Meet or Zoom, whichever is currently used. So in that way, principals, directors, and admin can also click on join class and supervise any class that goes on throughout the day. Now one more thing, two new features we have added is start session log and student session log. So start session log is to see, let's say, which class has the classes, which class have the classes today, and at what time they're scheduled, or were they started at the time they were scheduled for. So now we can select either class wise, subject wise, teacher wise, and you can select a particular class and you'll be able to see all the classes that were scheduled. Now let's say the morning science class of 8th A was scheduled at 8:50. So it was started at 8:46 by the particular teacher. So in that way, you'll be able to keep tab on which classes are scheduled, at what time they are scheduled for, and what time did the teacher actually start the class. So in that way, you can have a log of the start time of the teachers or the sessions started by the teachers. Now one more is the student session log. So student session log, again, how many classes happened and how many students attended those particular classes. So we can select date wise, teacher wise, subject wise, class wise. So let's say I'm selecting class wise and I want to check for today's 8th standard, and I'll click on show. So now I can see which classes happened, now at what date they happened. So 17th, that is today, which classes happened and how many students were present. So I can simply click on which class I want to check. I'll click on details, and when I click on details, I'll be able to see which students joined and at what time they joined that particular class. So in that way, you can see which students joined, and it helps to keep attendance also and keep a tab that how many students are actually attending the online class. So that's all about our online class and the new features added to our online timetable. Thank you.